It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This tutorial series is all about how to build the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. Yeah. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made my torso piece for the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. In the previous video, we constructed the chest, and this is the direct follow-up to that video. So now we're going to do the torso, so then your upper body will be complete. Your chest and your torso will be complete. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies, and we're going to get right into the tutorial. Next, I'm going to cut out the torso base. When you have your torso pattern together, the first thing you want to do is separate this section. So now trace this onto your EVA foam. 4, 5, or 6 will work for this. And that's your torso section. Next, I'm going to show you how to use this to do the layering effect on the side. So take your pattern, trace around your pattern, and then what you're going to do is add a little bit of real estate around your pattern. So now this is your first layering level. You're going to take this, you're going to put glue on the outside here in that space that you created. And you're going to glue it behind your torso piece. And you're going to do the same thing for the next 2 layers. And you repeat on the other side. So both sides will look like this layered effect. Now both sides are done. All my layering is done on my torso piece. Next I'm going to cut out the detail piece that goes on top of the torso like this. For this piece I'm using 2mm EVA foam. So now I'm going to glue these onto my torso base. And now your torso piece is done. The construction of your torso piece is done. Next, I'm going to cut out my belt. The Power Ranger belt is 3 inches, so all you have to do is cut out a piece of EVA foam that is 3 inches wide and long enough to go around your waist. A belt here, left over from a previous Power Ranger project, so I'm going to use this as my pattern. White EVA foam for my belt so I don't have to worry about painting it. So it's already white and ready to go. So now the belt is complete and I made my morpher out of EVA foam. I have a few tutorials on Power Ranger morphers, on Mighty Morphin Power Ranger morphers, so I'm not going over this step by step in this video, but I'll link it. I'll link that video to the tutorial for this morpher in the upper right hand corner, so look up at the right side of your screen if you need that tutorial. So I made the morpher out of EVA foam and I printed the coin. I 3D printed my power coin and I just painted everything and now it's ready to go. And it's gonna glue onto my belt. So I'm making a few marks with my pencil so I know where to glue my morpher. And my belt is ready to go. And there you have it. Your torso is complete, your belt is complete, and you're on your way to a great Mighty Morphin Power Rangers 1995 movie cosplay. If you enjoyed this video and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. Stay up with me. Let me know how you're doing so far. If you're making this build, leave me a comment. Let me know how it's going. And post videos on social media and tag me. I would love to see your work, your progress. And ask me any questions if you need help. The next video will be building the arm armor. So we're going to make the shoulder and the bicep as well as the Power Ranger cups. Until then, keep building, keep cosplaying, and may the power protect you. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. Peace.